Good morning, everyone. Well, today is the last day that I'm making kits and showing them because this is all the photos I have picked out so far. And tomorrow will be first day of 30 days sketches. So this is day 18 that I'm working on now, and it calls for a horizontal 5x7, which I printed out my photos previously, but I might print them out again and make them larger. But they're a 4x6 right now. You're gonna need 6 strips, and then she has some mixed media on here, which, you know, I will not be doing. And then, you know, she doesn't really show embellishments, so it's whatever you want. I am pulling in this Flora book because they will match my colors. And actually this, I'm thinking these here, and then maybe some of the yellows. And then of course I have leaves. So I have those 2 Minty books, and I'm actually going to be doing 2 layouts, but they'll look close to the same because I have the 2 oldest grand girls in the same picture. So that's what I'll be doing. Okay, let me get this picked up. I'm sure they probably have the sketches up by now, but I haven't had a chance to look, and I'm going away this afternoon, and so I have to get this done. So I haven't had a chance to look. Okay, and then my next one here is day 21, and oh, I forgot I have to pull up the picture. Okay, this is a single vertical picture, and it needs probably, I'm thinking 2 papers, which both of them are super thin. So actually once I put them in the Creative Memories, it won't really matter. But I'm going to be using these 2. And then I also am pulling in, I wish I would have had more of this playtime, because these embellishments will be perfect for it. Okay, I think my battery's not real good. My phone, or my camera just shut down. It's not my phone, it's a camera. But I'm gonna try to get through it. So this has like the perfect embellishments for it because it is a carnival layout. So I'm going to be using those, and these are probably from 2 different collections. I don't know, they're both really thin, but I really liked how they looked with the embellishments, so that's what I'm going with. I really did maybe because their embellishments were so, I don't know, the embellishments are just adorable for this collection, but there wasn't too many papers that were as vibrant as what I needed for my photo. So this is what I'm using. Well, and also it's okay. I was just having camera troubles. Okay, so that shut down. I had changed my battery. Okay, so hopefully this one holds out until I get done because it's charged very little. Okay, this is day 22, and this has at least 2 layers this way, but really you could probably use 3, but I'm just going to use 2. And then it has like a scenic thing, and so, and 1 photo. And the photo's cut into a circle. So I am going to use this Coastal Memories. I pulled this in. It's from a paper pad I picked up at Tuesday Morning years ago. And Then I've got, oh, and this is Minte Coastal Memories. And I threw in this just in case I want to cut something out of this. And then, of course, I'll have the fussy cut pieces, or some fussy cut pieces to fussy cut. And then these here. So I've got a lot of stuff because I just decided that I'm going to put everything in there just in case I use it. But I won't be using these papers, but I'm just trying to keep the kit together in case you wondered. I don't know if I mentioned that. So that's it for that one. Now, you might notice I pull in a lot of Minte. They're like, I have very few collections besides the Minte. I do have a few, you know, Simple Stories or Echo Park, but not as many, so sometimes I don't have the correct theme. Okay, so this one here is day 24, and this gets one vertical picture and two horizontals, and they look like they're probably, you know, a 4x6 or and two 6x4s, and so, you know, basically the same size, two horizontal, one vertical. And so there is, you'll probably use the second paper if you do the design. And so I'm bringing this in because I think I might like to use this as the little second design in the, to use it on the paper. I don't want to describe it so much. But, and I'm going to use this, and this is the other side, and this Music Garden. And I'm actually scrapbooking some of this, a couple of the same pictures, but this one's going to be for my book, so it's just a little bit different. So, and it's going to be Tegan again. Okay, so that's it for that one, and of course I'll have the embellishments, but they're in another day. So I just put on that day, put the rest with day 24. So these are the papers I need. Okay. Now I'm going to pull over a great big pile, but I'm only using a little bit of it. Now I had made a collection with using some papers that Maureen had given me, and she'd given me What's Cooking. And so I actually pulled out that kit, which is here. And then this is Simple Stories foam stickers, which is from, I don't know. Let me see if I can see it. I don't know if I can get to the name of it. What's Cooking? That's what it's called. So, oh yeah, because I actually had the same stickers that went with the collection, the foam stickers. So I thought I might use this. In the collection, she had given me like 3 papers, I think. So I just put things in here that I thought would make a cute collection. And I have a whole bunch of adorable homemade things, but that I got from swaps. But think I'm gonna just use a couple of those. I'm pulling in this and this. I'm gonna use this as my background paper, and this calls for Polaroids and 4 pictures. So I thought I might use this as my Polaroid background because I love this together. And my adorable pictures, I'm not going to let you see yet. Okay, and so you get 4 pictures, And they're supposed to be like Polaroids, but you know, it really doesn't matter because mine are just going to be vertical. But I might still cut them like Polaroids and use this. So you get to see a little bit of this because I love this paper with the pictures and with that wood. And then I pulled these in because they would be cute. And I'm thinking it's Ashton and another little foster child that my daughter has right now, and they are just the besties. And I got the most adorable pictures of them, so I thought it might be cute to use together, but I like this close knit, so I think I might use that. And then and they're eating, so now you know, just about, you can almost imagine the pictures. And then I had these little flare too that I made previously. So I'm just sticking all these in with my sketch and photos. I won't put that in there. So that's what I'm thinking for day, what did I say it was? 25. I think I didn't say what it was. Day 25. So, and then to keep the rest of it together, you know, I'm just leaving it here in the plastic sleeve I have for it. Okay. And then for my last one, right, I'm going to be scrapbooking a picture of me and hubby. And it's a single photo. Now she has, it might be a little more vertical than a square, but it's a very, she's either got a lot of embellishments on here or a lot of detail. So I think it's really embellishments. But, and she actually hasn't matted. But I think I'm just going to use this because hers has a whole lot of detail on it. And I'm going to put it like right in the center of that. And I mean, it's like I've been having a hard time like just using this and, you know, or this side. I've actually used this side on one of the other ones this month, but I just want to use one like that. It's just so gorgeous. I mean, look at these. They're just stunning. Should just be hung on the wall. Here's the other one. Love that one too. So I think I'm just going to put the picture right in the middle, and then I'll do a little more embellishing. So that's day, oh, this is actually the bonus one. So I made it to day 25, and this is bonus number 2. So I've got just, let's see, how many didn't I get done? So I do not have photos. I don't have photos for any of these. Day 11, 15, 17, 19, 20, 23, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And then another bonus sketch. So I need to find photos for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and if I do another bonus, 12. So 12 more sets. I'm going to go to my granddaughter's ice skating, so I'm going to go stay up about an hour from here. So I might take, you know, I've got pictures on my phone, so I might just take my sheet with me to see if I can figure out what, at least get the pictures ready. Because just having part of it ready, it's easier when you're trying to carry on life. Even though, you know, it's like I've done it before, it can be done, but it's tough. That's the first time I did it, I thought, oh, can I film every day? And then, you know, it's like, once I did it, I thought, oh, I can film every day. And then I was kind of filming every day. But, it's like, it's hard to get anything else done. So, thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day. And I will see you tomorrow with the very first sketch of Series 21, 30 Days Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. So until tomorrow, bye-bye.